Every machine on this list pays for itself, and a few of them do it in a single weekend. These are 25 machines regular people are using to build real income from home. Number 1 turns blank shirts into pure profit on demand. Tell me in the comments which one you'd start with, and subscribe because this list gets wild fast. Number 25. National Geographic Rock Tumbler. Starting small, this rock tumbler turns cheap rough stones into glossy gems people actually pay for. Load it, walk away, and about 9 days later, you've got polished crystals ready to sell at fairs or online. Rough rock costs almost nothing, so the returns are surprisingly wild for a machine this cheap. Number 24. HTVRONT Auto Hat Press. Custom hats are everywhere right now, and this auto press is how small brands make them. Drop in a cap, set the timer, and it presses a design on in seconds. No experience required. Sellers charge $20 to $30 for hats that cost a few bucks blank. That's a fat markup on a tiny footprint. Number 23. VEVOR Ultrasonic Cleaner. This ultrasonic cleaner blasts grime out of jewelry, glasses, and greasy engine parts using nothing but sound waves. No scrubbing at all. Shops charge per item for cleaning it does in minutes. Fill it, drop the parts in, and let the bubbles do the work while you line up the next batch. Number 22. Ozone Generator. The cheapest machine here, and one of the smartest. This ozone generator erases odors, smoke, pets, that mystery smell cars and cleaning can't touch. Detailers tack it on as a $50 upgrade on every job. Run it while they do something else, and it pays for itself on the very first car. Number 21. VEVOR Gumball Machine. Old school passive income that still works better than people expect. Load this gumball machine with candy or capsules, place it somewhere with foot traffic, and it collects quarters while you sleep. Owners say the real money is running several units around town at once. 25 cents at a time adds up a lot faster than you'd think. That's the entry tier. From here, the machines get bigger and the money gets serious. Welcome to the top 20. Number 20. EUHOMY Commercial Ice Maker. Boring? Maybe. Profitable? Absolutely. This commercial ice maker pumps out 400 pounds of ice a day into its own built-in bin, and the demand behind it never slows down. Parties, weddings, food trucks, restaurants, corner stores, bagged ice cost almost nothing to make. So once the machine is paid off, nearly every dollar is profit. Plenty of people build entire delivery routes around a product nobody thinks about, but everybody needs the second it gets hot outside. Number 19. VEVOR Waffle Stick Maker. Street food is one of the fastest ways to cash, and these French-style waffle corn dogs are a viral favorite. 6 at a time, crispy and golden, for pennies of batter in a hot dog. Vendors sell them for $5 or $6 each at fairs and night markets. Low cost in, high cash out. Number 18. MAXIMIST Spray Tan Machine. Picture turning a spare bedroom into a tanning studio in 10 minutes. Mobile spray tanning is booming with almost no overhead, and this high-volume, low-pressure machine plus a pop-up tent is the entire setup. A single session runs $40 to $60, and clients rebook every couple of weeks, so it becomes steady, repeating income you can carry right to their front door. Number 17. TRESS Wellness Wax Warmer. Waxing is a service people book again and again, and this warmer is the whole setup in one kit. Heat the wax, and you're ready to work on brows, face, or full body. A single appointment runs $30 to $60. The supplies cost almost nothing, and clients rebook every few weeks. It's one of the cheapest ways on this whole list to start a steady beauty income from home. Number 16. PINCKNEY Sublimation Printer. Now the printing moneymakers. This sublimation printer bundle prints full-color designs you heat press onto mugs, shirts, phone cases, and coasters. Bright, permanent, and endlessly customizable. Personalized products sell for huge markups, and the ink cost per item is just pennies. Whatever trend or name people want, you can print it and ship it the same day. Number 15. VEVOR Orange Juicer. Watch a $2 bag of oranges turn into $10 of juice in about a minute. That's the entire pitch. This automatic juicer squeezes 20 oranges every minute, so a single stand moves cup after cup with barely any labor. People pay extra just to watch it happen fresh right in front of them. It's simple, it's visual, and it's the kind of cash business that thrives on weekends and hot afternoons. Number 14. Fresh Roast SR800 Roaster. Coffee people are obsessive, and that's exactly the opportunity. This roaster turns cheap green beans into fresh roasted coffee you bag and sell at a serious markup, and roast to order is a real selling point. Regulars come back every single month, and owners say those recurring orders are what turn a hobby into predictable, repeatable income. Number 13. GENMITSU CNC Router. Now we're carving profit. This desktop computer numerical control router cuts precise designs into wood, acrylic, and even circuit boards. Custom signs, coasters, name plaques, all on demand. Small shops sell these carved pieces for $30 to $100 each. Feed it a file, hit start, and it does the skilled work while you take the next order. Number 12. ANYCUBIC PHOTON Mono M7. Resin 3D printing is a goldmine for anyone selling miniatures, figurines, or custom parts. This printer captures the insane detail collectors happily pay premium for. A few dollars of resin becomes a figure that sells for $20 or $30. Print overnight, wake up to fresh inventory. It's a whole factory that fits on a desk. Number 11. VEVOR Automatic Donut Machine. Mini donuts might be the perfect concession food. Cheap to make, impossible to walk past, and this machine drops and fries them automatically, row after row. Batter goes in one end, hot little donuts tumble out the other, hundreds every hour. $1 of batter becomes a $6 bag, and the smell alone pulls a line at any fair, market, or game. It basically markets itself. Top 10 now, and these are the heavy hitters. If any of these just handed you an idea, tap that like button. It genuinely helps. Let's keep going. Number 10. DUPRAY Neat Steam Cleaner. Steam cleaning is one of the easiest services to start, and this machine is the whole business in a box. It sanitizes and deep cleans with nothing but water, cars, tile, upholstery, grout, no chemicals to buy, so every job is almost pure profit. Owners say it pays for itself in a single afternoon of work. Number 9. VEVOR Soft Serve Machine. Soft serve is straight up summer money. This 3-flavor machine makes creamy cones on demand, and the ingredient cost per cone is almost nothing. Charge $4 or $5, and one busy afternoon at an event adds up fast. It's the kind of machine that turns a folding table into a cash magnet whenever it's warm. Number 8. Smart Combo Vending Machine. Vending is the classic passive income dream, and this smart combo unit sells snacks and cold drinks with app control and tap to pay built in. Place it in a gym, office, or apartment lobby, and it collects money around the clock, while the app tracks every sale from your phone. Owners say a good location can clear a few $100s a month on autopilot, and it scales with every machine you add. Number 7. Rust-Oleum Metallic Floor Kit. This is where the high-ticket jobs start. This metallic floor coating kit transforms a plain garage floor into a glossy showroom finish. The kind homeowners pay thousands to install. One kit runs around $150 and coats a whole one-car garage. Floor coating crews charge $2,000 to $5,000 a job, and the before and after alone sells the next one. Number 6. 2 Trees Laser Engraver. A laser engraver is a whole gift shop in one box. This one burns crisp designs into wood, acrylic, leather, and even coated metal. Signs, ornaments, coasters, and personalized keepsakes people love. Raw materials cost cents. A finished engraved piece sells for $20, $30, even $50. It works straight from a design file, so once it's dialed in, it turns cheap blank sheets into a shelf full of ready-to-sell product. Top 5. These are the big money machines. The ones that can genuinely replace an income. Comment which one you'd actually run, and drop a like if this list is helping. Number 5 is a print-on-demand powerhouse. This multicolor 3D printer runs several filaments at once, so it makes finished, colorful products with zero hand painting. Toys, gadgets, phone accessories, custom gifts. While you sleep, it's manufacturing inventory you designed once and sell over and over. Sellers report a single popular design paying for the whole machine. It's basically a tiny automated factory that fits on a shelf. Number 4 is pure raw material money. This portable sawmill turns whole logs, the kind people give away for free, into lumber that sells for a fortune. Live edge slabs, custom boards, woodworkers and builders pay premium for them. One afternoon can produce hundreds of dollars of lumber from a tree that was headed for firewood. The material literally starts at zero, and that's about as good as it gets. Number 3. Prints money at parties. This portable photo booth turns any iPad into a full event setup that snaps photos and prints them on the spot. Weddings, birthdays, corporate events, hosts rent booths like this for $500 and up per night. You set it up and it runs itself while guests line up to use it. A few weekend bookings pay for the whole machine, and referrals keep your calendar full. Number 2 is a machine that does the work of two. This dual laser fires both a fiber and a diode beam, so it permanently marks metal and cuts wood at blazing speed. Logos on tumblers, knives, jewelry, and tools a basic engraver can't touch. Personalized metal carries huge markups, and this clears a whole batch of orders in a single evening. It's the upgrade that turns a hobby into a real workshop, and it's still only number 2. Remember the promise, machines that pay for themselves? Number 1 does it faster than anything here. Guess it in the comments before the reveal. The number 1 small business machine is the ProColor direct-to-garment printer, right around $2,000. Here's why it wins. First, it prints full-color designs directly onto blank t-shirts on demand. No minimums, no screens, no waiting on a supplier. Second, the math is brutal in your favor. A blank shirt costs a few dollars, and a printed custom tee sells for $25 or more. Third, it's a business that never sleeps. Trends, band names, memes, local events, every one of them is a new order the same day. One machine, endless products, printed the moment someone hits buy. If you start with anything on this list, start here. So there's your blueprint. 25 machines, 25 ways to stop trading hours for dollars. The best one is simply the one you actually start. Subscribe, because next time I'm revealing the machines quietly making people the most money in 2026, and number 1 will surprise you.